Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the top contenders for the best magnetic screen doors on the market. Are you tired of pesky bugs invading your home while trying to enjoy the fresh air? Look no further. We've researched and tested numerous options, examining durability, ease of installation, and effectiveness. Join us as we reveal the ultimate selection that strikes the perfect balance between convenience and protection. Get ready to transform your living space with the best magnetic screen doors available today. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door. Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door provides a convenient and pet-friendly solution for keeping insects out, while allowing easy entry and exit. Installing this screen door is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. The magnetic closure system ensures that the door automatically closes behind you, preventing bugs from entering your living space. One of the standout features of this magnetic screen door is its heavy-duty magnetic door screen mesh. The mesh is durable and built to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring longevity and continued performance. The screen door is also designed to fit most door sizes, making it versatile and compatible with various entryways. I particularly appreciate the pet-friendly design of the Flux Phenom magnetic screen door. It allows my furry friends to move in and out effortlessly, while keeping bugs at bay. The magnetic closure is gentle enough for pets to nudge open, ensuring they can access the outdoors whenever they please. Overall, the Flux Phenom magnetic screen door offers a hassle-free solution for keeping insects out, while maintaining easy access. Its durability, pet-friendly design, and straightforward installation make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable magnetic screen door. Say goodbye to pesky bugs and enjoy the convenience of a self-closing door with this exceptional product. Number 2. AUGO Magnetic Screen Door. The AUGO Magnetic Screen Door self-sealing heavy-duty, hands-free mesh partition keeps bugs out. Pet and kid-friendly patent-pending keep open feature 38-inch into 83-inch has been an exceptional addition to their home. This innovative product has truly exceeded their expectations, providing a seamless solution for keeping bugs out, while allowing fresh air to circulate freely. The hands-free feature of the screen door has been particularly impressive, allowing them to effortlessly enter and exit, without the hassle of struggling with a traditional door. The convenience of the patented keep open feature has been a game changer, enabling them to keep the screen door open when entertaining guests or when carrying groceries, ensuring easy access without constant door closing concerns. They appreciate that the screen door is designed with pets and kids in mind, making it a safe and user-friendly option. Their pets can now freely move in and out of the house without needing assistance, while the screen door acts as a reliable barrier to prevent young children from wandering unsupervised. Overall, the AUGO magnetic screen door has proven to be a remarkable product. Its durability, functionality, and excellent value for the price make it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking an effective and convenient way to keep bugs at bay while enjoying fresh air indoors. Number 3. Yotache Fiberglass Magnetic Screen Door. The Yotache Fiberglass Magnetic Screen Door, designed to fit door sizes of 30 into 80 inches and with a screen size of 32 inches into 81 inches, has proven to be an impressive addition to any home. Its performance has exceeded expectations, providing a reliable solution for keeping insects out. One of the standout features of this screen door is its impeccable construction. With double-sewed and close-stitching design, it boasts exceptional durability and effectively prevents fraying or tearing. The top anti-tear feature further reinforces its strength, ensuring long-lasting use. Crafted from heavy-duty fiberglass, this screen door feels robust and well-made. It can withstand daily wear and tear, offering reliable protection for an extended period. The full-frame hook and loop strip guarantees a secure and tight seal, even during strong winds, keeping the door firmly in place. Installation of the Yotache Fiberglass magnetic screen door is a hassle-free experience. Clear instructions and user-friendly attachments make the process quick and straightforward. In conclusion, the Yotache Fiberglass magnetic screen door is an outstanding product that delivers exceptional quality, durability, and functionality. It comes highly recommended for anyone seeking a dependable and efficient screen door solution for their home. Number 4. MAGZO Magnetic Screen Door. The MAGZO magnetic screen door is a polyester durable door that has proven to be an exceptional addition to their home. With its precise dimensions of 32 into 80 inches for the door and 34 into 81 inches for the screen, it fits flawlessly, creating a seamless barrier against insects, while allowing for optimal air circulation. Constructed from durable polyester material, This screen door exhibits remarkable sturdiness and quality craftsmanship, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The embedded magnets along the seams possess impressive strength, effortlessly snapping the door shut after each use, effectively preventing any insect infiltration. Installation was a breeze, thanks to the included Velcro strips and push pins, requiring no additional tools. The door opens and closes with remarkable smoothness, while the magnets swiftly seal it shut, providing hassle-free protection against bugs. Overall, they express immense satisfaction with the MAGZO magnetic screen door. Its precise fit, robust construction, and effortless functionality make it an outstanding solution for keeping insects at bay while enjoying fresh air. They enthusiastically recommend it to anyone seeking a reliable and convenient screen door option for their home. Number 5. Housegold Magnetic Screen Door. The Housegold Magnetic Screen Door is a remarkable product that deserves high praise. Designed with a durable fiberglass double-door screen mesh curtain, it perfectly fits door openings up to 70 inches into 79 inches and effectively keeps pesky bugs out. One notable feature is its magnetic closure system, which ensures a secure seal every time the door is used. The powerful magnets swiftly close the screen behind users, preventing any unwelcome insects from entering the house. The screen mesh itself is robust and well-crafted, exhibiting exceptional resilience even with frequent use. Installing the screen door is a hassle-free task, thanks to the clear and concise instructions provided. It fits snugly and remains securely in place even during strong gusts of wind. Furthermore, when not in use, it can be effortlessly removed and stored without causing any damage to the door frame. In summary, the Housegold magnetic screen door surpasses expectations in terms of performance and durability. It effectively keeps bugs out, while allowing fresh air to flow into the house. For those seeking a reliable and efficient screen door solution for their French doors, this product comes highly recommended. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information.